Imagine turning a few trades into thousands of dollars of rewards. And maybe even landing a Tesla. Curious? Stay tuned. Let's go. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of MEXC. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Let me go ahead and give you some background on who they are, what they do, and what are the things that you need to know about them. And then I will show you this one. This is something that you also would like to go ahead and check out because that will definitely be able to give you some of the rewards that it has. Now, MEXC is one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, and it has launched its Blue Chip Blitz campaign. Now, that is an exclusive rewards event that is also designed for traders and investors that are seeking that high value opportunities. Now, this limited time promotion centers on trading the market's most trusted blue chip assets. It's like the Bitcoin, you have the Ethereum, you have VNB, you have Solana. So through the futures trading with zero fees on selected pairs. Now, that will definitely give the users the chance to maximize their profit without friction. Now, let me go ahead and show you this one right here. So in this page, guys, and this will also be in the description of the video. That way you can just go ahead and click on it and it will take you to this page. Now, as you can see, Blue Chip Blitz, $2 million prize pool awaits. Now, zero fees and up to 600% APR in that Tesla Cybertruck is waiting for you guys. Now, that is something that would actually get you really excited about. Now, registration right here. Okay, so you have 23 days, 2 hours, 50 minutes, 29, 28 seconds at the recording of the video, of course. So make sure to go ahead and check this one out. Do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. And so you could also make informed decisions with all of your investments. For this one, guys, you would see, okay, zero fees on Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and Solana futures. That is a lot because, again, if you are trading, those trading fees would also, I mean, it's not very significant, but it still takes away some of the profit that you could have gotten, right? So this benefit may not apply to users in certain countries or regions, so you can refer to the announcement for more details. And of course, just like what I always tell you, that is also the reason why I want to make sure that you are always checking out all those details, all of the fine print and all that, okay? So yeah, the Super Spin Fest Cybertruck awaits. Now, if you click on this one, let me go ahead and click on join now here. So you would see Super Spin Fest win that Tesla Cybertruck, okay? So you have the register now. Look at that. You have iPhone 17 Pro Max. You have that 1 ounce of gold. My gosh. Wow. So one Tesla Cybertruck, you have the 0.00001 Bitcoin. Okay. And how to participate. So this is the most important part that I would like you guys to go ahead and check out, of course. So you have all those tasks. Go ahead and check those one out, and then you will be able to get all the details that you need to do for you to be able to participate. Okay. So beyond the trading, guys, MEXC introduces those high-stake opportunities that offers the users the ability to stake that USDT or the selected tokens for up to an impressive 600% APR. So, with that limited slots available, speed and timing is very crucial, and the early stakers would be able to secure the highest returns. So, adding to the excitement, guys, MEXC incorporates that gamified engagement with its spin and win feature. Now, by completing those daily trading or the referral tasks, okay, like this one, you have the terms and conditions that you could actually take note of, right? So you will be able to have that chance to win from that massive prize pool that also includes that headline reward of the Tesla Cybertruck. Now, the Blue Chip event, guys, boasts that over $2 million in total rewards and spread across multiple task categories. New users can actually trade, deposit, and refer friends to share 150 50,000 USDT, while also the existing users would be able to complete that futures trading challenges to unlock that 200,000 USDT in bonuses. So with that mix of lucrative staking, gamified task, and zero fee trading, MEXC's Blue Chip Blitz also exemplifies that platform's mission, which is to reward both the beginners and the professionals in the cryptocurrency space. So for traders that are ready to take on that challenge, the Blue Chip Blitz is actually taking that ultimate arena for profit and excitement. So go ahead and check this one out, guys. Again, the link to this will be in the description of the video. Do not let this one pass. Go to the Blue Chip Blitz page and complete your task and start spinning and get those rewards today. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.